How to fix 0xc1900101 error when installing Windows. 1. Clear up disk. 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Remove recently installed app using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 4. Run sfc/dism tools as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health/source wimx sources install.wim1/limit access 5. Perform clean boot. 6. Reset your PC. 7. Update device drivers, especially the display card driver, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Remove unused IDE ATA/ATOPI controllers devices. Restart your computer. 9. Update BIOS.